10, 9. We have a go for main engine start, and we have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of A-51I and the commercial deploy and repair mission. It has cleared the tower.
Roger, roll, Discovery.
Roll program initiated. Houston now controlling.
Roger that.
Beginning throttle down now to 65%. 3 engines throttling down now to 65%. Altitude 3 nautical miles. 3 engines in the throttle down condition to manage the maximum aerodynamic pressure as the spacecraft approaches max Q at 743 pounds per square foot. Now running at 104%, given a go at the throttle up. 1 minute 20 seconds, velocity 3,200 feet per second, altitude 11 nautical miles, downrange distance 7 nautical miles. 3 APUs running normally, 3 good fuel cells operating. 1 minute 40 seconds, velocity 4,400 feet per second. Altitude 18 nautical miles, downrange distance 16 nautical miles. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation. Separation confirmed, velocity 5,400 feet per second. Altitude 27 nautical miles, guidance converging as programmed. Seconds, velocity 5,700 feet per second, altitude 32 nautical miles.
Discovery Houston, first stage performance nominal. First stage nominal, very good.
That call up from Capcom Mike Coates to the commander Joe Engel indicates the first stage performance is nominal. Velocity 6,200 feet per second, altitude 38 nautical miles, downrange distance 56 nautical miles, 2 minutes 50 seconds. 3 engines still at 104%. 3 auxiliary power units functioning normally, 3 good fuel cells. 3 minutes 10 seconds, velocity 6,800 feet per second. Altitude 44 nautical miles, return status and mission control. All positions giving a go to Ascent Flight Director Gary Cohen. 3 minutes 30 seconds.
Discovery Houston, 2-engine TAL capability.
Roger, Houston, 2-engine TAL.
That call up, Discovery capable of reaching a transatlantic abort if that were to become necessary on only 2 engines. Transatlantic abort site, the primary site operational today is the Morón, Spain landing site. We have 3 good engines running now, 3 minutes 55 seconds. Standing by for negative return.
Negative return.
Okay, negative return.
That call up from Capcom Mike Coates, Discovery no longer capable of returning to the launch site now. 4 minutes 10 seconds, velocity 8,700 feet per second, altitude 55 nautical miles, downrange distance 140 nautical miles. 3 engines still at 104%. Minutes 35 seconds, velocity 9,700 feet per second, altitude 57 nautical miles.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Roger, press to ATO.
That call up, Discovery capable of reaching a And abort to orbit on 2 engines if that were to become necessary.
Discovery Houston, press to MECO.
Roger, press to MECO.
That call up, Discovery capable of reaching press to main engine cutoff, normal main engine cutoff on 2 engines if that were to become necessary. Velocity 11,000 feet per second. Now 3 engines still running at 104%. Altitude 60 nautical miles. Downrange distance 228 nautical miles. Launch performance so far has been normal. Five minutes, 40 seconds. Velocity 12,600 feet per second. Minutes, 10 seconds, velocity 14,200 feet per second. Altitude 59.6 nautical miles, downrange distance 340 nautical miles. APU is running at normal full speed, 3 engines at 104%. Navigations officer reports that the guidance is good.
Discovery Houston, single engine press to MECO.
Roger, Houston, engine press.
Discovery now capable of reaching a normal main engine cutoff to orbit on only a single engine if that were to become necessary. 7 minutes, 10 seconds. Velocity 18,400 feet per second, altitude 58 nautical miles, downrange distance 478 nautical miles, 3 engines at 104%. Main engine cutoff time predicted at the pre-predicted number of 8 minutes, 28 seconds. Engines throttling down to maintain 3 Gs. Minutes. Velocity 23,000 feet per second. Altitude 58 nautical miles. Downrange distance 642 nautical miles. 3 engines now at 104%, or rather 84%, maintaining 3G throttling. Five seconds away from main engine cutoff.
We got MECO confirmed. Energy looks good.
Roger, we copy. Good MECO.
Discovery crew confirms normal main engine cutoff as predicted. Booster officer confirms normal main engines shut down.
Okay, we got ET-SEP.
We copy SEP.
Separation of the external tank now confirmed. Velocity 26,000 feet per second.
Discovery Houston, no ohms 1 required. APU's off on time.
Roger that. Verify that. Sounds good.
With that status and mission control on the call to the crew, a normal ascent profile confirmed. No ohms 1 required. Discovery be proceeding to its ohms 2. That is the final circularization. The orbit at normal main engine cutoff at the present time predicted to be 190 nautical miles by 34 nautical miles, and that is circularized with the OMS 2 burn at 190.
Okay, Houston, reading you loud and clear. And we've still got the body flap light on. I'll get the... We copy, Joe.
This is Mission Control Houston, 12 minutes, 30 seconds. Booster officer reports the main engines now have been configured for their on-orbit normal status, and they are stowed.
Refreshing heater activation is complete. Bus sensors are in work. And Houston copies, Joe. And Discovery Houston, you can ignore the thermal evap and thermal propellant messages. Okay, thank you, Mike.
Seconds into the flight, Discovery on its way to orbit. An OMS 2 burn would take place at about 40 minutes into the flight, circularizing the orbit at 90 nautical miles.